Okay, James, this is just grafting the HypoCycloid problem 55. I think that's all I have to do, and then I'm done with the YouTube graphing stuff. I believe that's it. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and do this. Um, well, let's get in parametric mode. Okay, and we'll go ahead and go to our place to enter the equations, and it was cosine cubed of t for x, cosine t, and we want this all to be cubed. So I need to put an open parentheses on the other side there. So let's do that. Okay, good. And the other one was sine of t with the whole thing being cubed again. All right, so that's it. Let me see. Do we want to have the little ball around it so we can see where it's going along? I guess we may as well do that. So we'll do that, and now we'll go to the window, and we know we need to go from 0 to 2 pi. That's standard there. The t-steps, why don't we go 0.1, and if we need to go faster, slower later, we can correct it. And I'm thinking, you know, -10, +10 ought to be about right for these. I don't know, maybe we can make these tick marks like 2, just so there are not so many of them. And let's see what we get. Well, obviously we need a much smaller window. So we'll, I guess we'll use zoom box. I think that's probably the best way to go about doing it, and we'll take off a nice little box. That looks like it'd be good. Enter, and then we'll just try and keep our box as symmetrical as we can. That looks like it'd be about right, so why don't we just do that? Oh, did I miss it? Okay, I'm gonna have to do it again. Zoom box. I think I should have hit enter instead of the other one, so we'll go in the other direction now. I need to come over one more there. That looks pretty symmetrical, so okay, I'll hit enter. Yeah, now we sort of see our HypoCycloid going in that fashion, then you can sort of see what's going on more. Okay, let me just try and adjust the window a little bit better than this. We have it going from -1.7 to +1.7. Why don't we just have it go from -1 to 1? And we can change that back to 1 now, I guess. And we'll do the same thing for y. Have it go from -1 to 1. And we'll change the tick marks back to 1 since we won't see them anyway. So let's go ahead and graph it now. So that is a HypoCycloid for what it's worth. Maybe we should take the tick marks away. They occur right here and here and here and here. I'm sorry, I'm just fiddling with this a little bit. It's not that big a deal. Back to window. Why don't we set the X scale at 2 again so we just won't see the tick marks. Okay, now we'll just graph it one last time. So I guess that's kind of cool for a HypoCycloid. Let's take the screenshot. And this was problem 55. And that's it. And I'm thinking my screenshot might be showing up in a different menu. I'm not sure why it didn't pop up, but I think I've got it somewhere. So, okay, I'll go ahead and finish this off.